Severna Sew and Vac, located at 550 Baltimore-Annapolis Boulevard in Severna Park, Maryland. Today we're working on an Oreck vacuum cleaner. As you can see, we got it kind of strewn all over our bench, along with some extra parts for another. We're trying to do a 2 to make 1 today. If you are looking for Oreck repair in the Annapolis, Glen Burnie, Severna Park, Arnold, Pasadena area, then Severna Sew and Vac is the place to bring your Oreck vacuum cleaner for repair. We're an authorized dealer. We have brand new machines in boxes. We have brand new machines built and ready for sale. And we do repair work on all the Oreck vacuum cleaners. Take a look at some of our new machines here. We've got household, we have commercial, we have the Royal vacuum cleaner, which is an Oreck knockoff. All ready for sale here at 550 Baltimore-Annapolis Boulevard in Severna Park. Severna Sew and Vac's phone number is 410-975-0058. You can reach us on the web at www.sewvac.com. We have Oreck bags, we have Oreck belts, we have Oreck roller brushes, anything you need. We look forward to seeing you, and we'll see you next video.